How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Cinema HD app to your Firestick or Android TVs. First of all, you need to get the app code and loader to your Firestick, and you can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and in the search bar start typing downloader. And as you can see, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after I got downloader, it's actually not over yet, because we still need to set it up. And now, in order to actually stop the loader, we gotta go to settings, so click on that button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, there is no need to worry because it's super easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you just have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do that for 7 times. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if we go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. So we just open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. From here, all you have to do is just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, we open it and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Ireland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. Or alternatively, you can also use IPVanish instead of NordVPN. It's another really decent VPN service. They are a bit cheaper than Nord, and we do also have discount codes for them in the pinned comment below the video, as well as in the description of the video. So it's up to you, it's either IPVanish or NordVPN. And now, finally, we open the downloader app on your device. Then here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home. And now in the search bar, we gotta enter the code. So the code is gonna be 59745. So once again, it's 59745. That is the code that you have to enter. Then you gotta click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, as you can see, the download has already started. That shouldn't take too long, but of course it always depends on your connection speed. Then you just need to click on install, and now in just a couple of moments, the Cinema HD app will be finally installed on your Fire Stick devices. And after it was installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you really do not need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from the Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space on it anyway. And now, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, wait until it loads, and there you'll find the Cinema HD, which we just installed. Now, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, Cinema HD is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble while using such apps. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.